Hey, welcome to Collectible Motorcar Atlanta. My name is Chris, I'm the manager here, and today I've got a really cool truck for you. But before we get started, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Guys, this is a 1987 C10. It's the first year of the fuel injection, and this truck is absolutely amazing. It's fantastic. It's a two-owner truck. It's had a recent paint job done on it, and the paint looks fantastic. The clear just looks really good. There's no major scratches or anything in this paint. It looks miles deep. It's a beautiful dark red. Let's go ahead and start up front here. You've got a nice chrome bumper here. You've got the Chevrolet grille. You've got your classic double stacked headlights here. Overall, your fender's in really good condition. You got your wheel well trim here that's like a brushed look with a black pinstripe around it. Really fits the truck really well. Got your American Racing torque thrust wheels there. It's a 20-inch, really nice. This is a Silverado model, so you do get the Silverado C10 badge. You got brand new trim running down along the side of the truck, which is also a brushed look too. Matches your wheel well trim there. As we look around the door here, all your gaps on both sides here are nice and even and straight. Door opens nice and easy, shuts good, door's not sagging. Your mirror's in good condition. The chrome is all in great condition. All your weather stripping here around the wing window is in awesome condition. You do get a little window guard here. It's in a chrome. It's in great condition as well. All your door handles look like they're new or just in really good condition. There's no pitting or anything like that. Overall, just really, really nice. As we work our way down the side of the bed here, I always like to open up the gas caps here just to show you guys how clean it is in here. Like I said, this is a two-owner truck, so it's been very well taken care of. And it is a dual tank, so you do have your tank on the other side here. As I look down the side of this truck right here, guys, I literally see no dents. The sheet metal on this truck is in excellent condition. The paint's in excellent condition. Overall, this is a super nice truck, and as you guys may know, these trucks are super hot right now, and to find one this nice that's a two-owner that's backed up by the Carfax is kind of rare to find. But as we work our way out back here, you do have some new style LED tail lights here, so you do get the LED reverse light, and when you hit the brakes on this, it does do its little thing. I'll let Justin show that in the B-roll. You do have your fuel injection badge back here, which is pretty cool. Like I said, this is the first year of fuel injection. It's really nice. Overall, super clean back here. Your tailgate's in good condition. Go ahead and show you back at the bed. Bed's in really good condition as well. It looks like it was resprayed when the truck was resprayed. Your tubs are clean. No major issues. One cool thing about this truck is the bed is not painted so nice that you'd be scared to put anything back here, like your chairs, your cooler. You still go to car shows, it still shows well, but it's not so nice that if you want to run to Home Depot and throw some stuff in the back, you wouldn't be scared that you're going to scratch it. You do have this mat that does protect the bottom side of the bed, but as you guys can see, there's no dents underneath here. Overall, the paint and everything under here is pretty good condition as well. At the end of the day, it is a truck. I'm a big truck guy myself, and I like nice trucks, but I like them to where I can still use them as a truck, and this is definitely one of those trucks. Let's go ahead and work our way up to the engine. I want to show you what's under the hood. All right, guys, take a look at this brand new crate motor 350, fuel injected. It was put in the truck probably about 20,000 miles ago. It's in really good condition. This is a really, really nice truck. You get power disc brakes up front. You got a brand new AC compressor. Overall, just a really clean engine bay. It's got all the stock stuff underneath here. No modifications done. Just a non-molested, beautiful 1987 C10. But guys, with that being said, not a whole lot to look underneath the hood. Just a really clean, brand new crate motor underneath there that runs top notch. But let's go ahead and check out the interior. All right, guys, we're now in the interior, and the interior on this truck is amazing. Door panels are in good condition. There's a little wear here and there, but overall for the age of the truck, it's in great condition. You do have power locks, which work. You do have your power windows, which work. Your pocket here is in good condition. It's not all busted open and sagging, which is kind of a common thing with these. The door panels are still nice and tight. The carpet on this truck is like brand new. I wouldn't say it's brand new, but it's real close to brand new. I don't see any major stains or anything like that. Next thing I want to talk about is this beautiful bench seat, guys. This thing looks brand new. There's no wear marks here on the seat from rubbing in and out or scooting out. You also get a really cool bow tie that's been embroidered inside the back side of the seat. With the Silverado model, you do get power windows, power locks, tilt wheel, cruise control, which this truck does have. All the gauges inside here work. You do have an aftermarket radio here that plays CDs and everything. Super cool. You do have your switch here for your dual tanks, which does work. Your dash is in excellent condition. I don't see any cracks or anything like that. AC blows cold in the truck as well. But guys, overall, just a super nice truck. Let's go ahead and take this one out for a drive. All right, guys, beautiful day here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're taking out this classic 1987 C10, and there's just something about getting out and driving around in a classic truck or classic car. It just always makes me feel so good getting out and cruising in one of these cars. It just, even, I do it every day and I still love it. There's just something about driving around in a classic car, getting the looks, the feel of driving the car. It's just a unique feel. A lot of these new cars, they just basically drive themselves, and it's just cool to get into something that makes a little bit of noise, and it's just very mechanical. And this is just an awesome truck. Brakes feel good, steering's nice. You can literally let go of the steering wheel and it drives itself. I mean, I think this one does drive itself. No, I'm just kidding. But overall, guys, this is an awesome pickup truck. Literally buy it, don't do anything to it. Get it out, drive it, take your grandson or your granddaughter to get ice cream, take them to the park, whatever, go cruising, go to cruise-ins, car shows. This is definitely the truck for that. You can use it to go to Home Depot and pick stuff up. Overall, it's an all-around truck. You can do literally everything with it. You could daily drive this truck if you wanted to. AC blows ice cold. All the gauges work. We just tested out the dual tanks. They're working. And with this brand new crate motor that's in here, guys, you have no worries with the motor. It's nice and strong. It's peppy, very reliable. GM's been making the 350 engine for years now, and they've definitely perfected it. So it's definitely a reliable platform. But overall, just a super nice truck, guys. But let's go ahead and get to the shop, and let's put this one up on the lift and look at the bottom side. All right, guys, we're underneath this 87 C10. Beautiful truck. Other than some minor surface rust, this truck is very clean. No major issues with rust underneath here. Ball joints, everything's in super good condition. You do have your sway bar. Your bushings are in good condition. They're not dry rotted. You do have your dual exhaust that runs down through here. Your frame's in great condition. Your cab bushings are in great condition. They're not dry rotted or anything. Overall, the frame's in great condition. You got dual tanks here. Both your tanks look pretty clean. They're not all built up with a bunch of grime. Overall, pretty nice truck underneath here, especially for one that's not been fully restored. Rear end's not leaking, don't have any signs of axle seals leaking. Those are all your issues that you could have with your rear end. But guys, overall, this truck is just fantastic. I mean, for a 30-year-old truck that's had a frame-up restoration, this is the truck you want. You can do anything with it, resto mod it, or just drive it how it is. If you're interested in this truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Chris, that's me, or my partner Justin, and we can handle everything from the financing, shipping, talking to the wife. We can come over and wine and dine you if we need to. That's a joke. We don't have the air miles for that. But guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.